Welcome to George and Sav. Today we will be sharing the top 6 restaurants to try when visiting the island called Maafushi. Number 1. Fruta. Here you can find a variety of fresh juices, delicious mocktails, and they make their very own ice cream. One tip, you can order from Fruta right on the beach, and if you do, you get a free lounging chair for the day. Number 2. Mr.Octopus. Here you can find a variety of cuisines. Our personal favorite was their pepperoni and Hawaiian pizza, which was super good and also budget friendly. Another tip for you guys, you can make your own combo pizza with all the toppings you love. Number 3. Moonlight. This is a Moroccan style inspired restaurant with absolute beautiful styling and feel good vibes. They are situated at the Sunset Beach of Maafushi. Here you can enjoy a flexible menu, amazing sunsets, and great SHISHA. Number 4. Stingray Cafe. This restaurant had a very relaxed atmosphere with a tropical vibe. They are ideal if you want to try local cuisines such as fried rice and fried noodles. Number 5. Hiyala. Hiyala is situated in the center of the island. This is a very local restaurant and the atmosphere is super laid back and casual. They offer all cuisines, but their specialty is a crab dinner for 2. Lastly, number 6. iCom Marina. This restaurant is ideal if you enjoy dining outdoors as they are situated right along the shore. Their vibe is super lively and we would recommend it to anyone. They also have a variety of cuisines to choose from. We hope you enjoyed our video and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just pop it down in the comments. Bye!